Y'all, something that traveling has taught me is that we really don't need too much, like clothes-wise, toiletry-wise. We really don't need as much as we think we do. Like, for example, when I travel, sorry, I'm carrying this bike up this hill and it's rocky. But when I travel, I only bring, you know, like a carry-on and a backpack. This purple backpack was filled up, and then I had a regular carry-on suitcase. You know, some travelers, they use those big 40-liter backpacks, those huge backpacks that they carry on their back. I don't like that. I don't like that look. At the end of the day, I'm a Cali girl. I'm from LA. We care about how we look. It is what it is. We set the precedence of what's cool, and those backpacks look crazy. That's all I'm gonna say on that. But no offense, guys. No offense. But I'm gonna bring me a suitcase. I'm gonna drag my suitcase through some rocks. At least I'm not carrying it. That's really it. It's like, yes, they look, but I get that they're functional, but they're really heavy because you're carrying everything, right? I get that they provide back support. It's not enough, okay? But I'm getting off topic. What I really wanted to talk about was the fact that we don't need as many clothes. Like, I'm looking at this skirt here, and I'm like, damn. If this skirt wasn't a swim skirt, this would be one of my favorite skirts to wear. And I'm just looking at this shirt like, basic crop top, right? Wear it on a Monday, wash it, wear it again the next week. Like, we really don't need as many clothes as we think we do. And that's all this message is about. This message is just about the fact that packing light will show you how little you need. Because, yeah, we don't go through that many products. Like, a lot of the products that you have, they just be sitting there. Maybe you use too much of it. Like, if you're washing your hands or washing your, yeah, we could use that example. If you're washing your hands, you might do like 3 pumps when you only really need 1 pump of soap to get the job done, technically. So, like, maybe we might be excessively using things, and so we think we go through products as faster than we do, or I don't know, whatever it is. But just think about your consumption and think about, like, if you had to pack for 2 weeks, right? Because that's basically what I did. I had 2 weeks worth of clothes when I packed. I'm gonna make another in-depth video about packing specifically. This is just an idea, a thought that I had that came into my head that was just like, wow, like, I've really been managing cute outfits, cute, really simple, basic outfits with just like not that many clothes, like just a suitcase full of clothes, a small suitcase full of clothes too at that. So, and granted, I am playing Jason Derulo in Costa Rica, y'all, but whatever. So on that note, yeah, bye, love you.